sounding weird. What happened, Barney?
Barney, what you doing, Barney? What's that? That a kitty cat? That a kitty cat?
He's like, it's hot.
Debating. Should I go mess with him again or should I not mess with him again? I'm tucking out from all that running around.
Hi. He looks so much like Rosie.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm taking a shower.
Merry Christmas. No, this is just the monthly laundry.